Alright, so your book tells us about some preterite verbs that have some spelling changes. They're irregular, and so they're not following all the rules. So we're going to go over those today. These verbs are for ones in an AER, EER, OIR, and OER. Okay, so they have some irregular parts, mainly dealing with the LA usted form and then ellos ustedes form are usually where the spelling issues occur in these verb tenses. Okay, so let's look at oír, which is kind of a new verb for us. It means to hear or to listen. The O form is oí, which means I heard. Oíste, the to form, you heard, informal. Oyó, you heard, formal, he heard, she heard. Oímos, we heard. And oyeron, you, plural, heard, they heard. Okay. And then we have next the creer, to believe. Yo creí, I believed. Tú creíste, you believed, informal. Él creyó, ella creyó, usted creyó. He believed, she believed, you, formal, believe. Nosotros creímos, we believed. There's your vosotros form. And then we have your ellos, ellas, ustedes form. Creyeron, they believed, you, plural, believed. Okay. Next, we're moving on to the leer, to read. Yo leí, I read. Tú leíste, you read, informal. Él leyó, ella leyó, usted leyó. He read, she read, you, formal, read. Nosotros leímos, we read. Ellos, ustedes leyeron, they read, you, plural, read. Caerse means to fall down or to tumble. Our book usually uses the to fall down part of this definition. So you have me, and notice this is reflexive as well, so we keep the reflexive pronouns with it. Me caí, I fell down myself. Te caíste, you fell down yourself. Se cayó, he fell down himself. She fell down herself. You fell down yourself, formal. Nos caímos, we fell down ourselves. There's the vosotros form. And then se cayeron, so they fell down themselves, you, plural, fell down yourselves. Okay. Here are some other verbs that follow this rule as well. Posseer means to have or to own. Proveer, to provide or supply. Roer, to gnaw on, to nibble at. That's usually used referring to mice and rats, so that word grosses me out. But some exceptions to this rule include traer, which means to bring, atraer, to attract, and distraer, which means to distract. So they don't follow these spelling rules despite their endings. Okay? All right, so for the assignment on this one, I would like you to write just, excuse me, just write a sentence from each verb. So, quedarse, leer, creer, and oír. One sentence from each verb where you use just one form of it. Okay? If you have any questions, let me know, but give it a go, okay? Be sure to email me if you have questions.